Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to explain you how Google Photos works. So, Google Photos is a cloud-based photo management app what help you automatically back up your photos and videos. So if you lose your phone, your files will be safe. Once you install and open the application, you need to turn on backup here and your photos and videos will upload to the cloud. This application also really super smart. You can use a search to find photos by let's say faces, or you can use also some word like keyboard, and you will see keyboards what you have right here. It uses AI to recognize faces, places, objects. So it helps you with search if you have a lot of photos on your phone. You can also edit your photos right inside this application, and you can rotate, you can crop, you can add some filters right here. It's up to you. And if you have premium subscription in this application, you will have some editing features. Now, if you want to stay organized, right here you can create albums or another stuff for you. It's up to you, and you will share photos or albums with anyone if they don't use Google Photos, so it's a cool feature also. Now, if you're running out of storage on your phone, you can delete local copies right here. You already have these files in the cloud, so don't worry about it. For free you get 15 gigabytes of space, and the biggest problem that it's this storage is shared with Google Photos and Google Drive and Gmail. So if it's not enough for you, you can pay and buy more space, some extra space. You can buy 100 gigabytes, 200 or 2 terabytes. You can pay monthly or per year. It's up to you. And that's how this application works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.